In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Excel for free. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead to the search tab in your browser. Then go ahead and type in Excel Microsoft download. So just go ahead, type in download Excel free, click on it. And from here, just scroll down until you find this website right here, Malavida. Click on this link and just give it a moment to load. Then click on Microsoft Excel download. Then after that, just click on download button again. And now the download will start. Go ahead, double click on it. And then just double click on the setup from here. Then click on extract all. Click extract again. And from here you will have to double click the setup you want to download of Office, and you will have all of the Office apps, Word, Excel, Sheets. So after you double click on it, the installer will open up for you. So go ahead and close out of this window that you have right here so you can start the installation. So go ahead, click out, and now the installation will start. So just give it a couple of minutes and then come back to it. And there you have it. Now you have Excel downloaded on your computer. So go ahead, double click on it and open it. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.